We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if you refer to our analysis, since the price was within here, we have been looking for buy, and this is what we get. And even if you refer to my last analysis, since the price was here, is we mentioned still we can look for continuation. Anyway, we have been looking for the breakout of 27. As we can see, the price broke. The next level was 28. We remove this one, we don't need it. The next level we have been looking for was 0.283, and as we can see, price broke, we don't need this one. And then after this, we need to see the breakout of 0.296. As we can see, almost the price tag, but there was no breakout, because with the breakout of 0.296, the next level we're looking for is 31. We need to see the breakout of this one. Anyway, based on 1 hour chart, as we can see, we had a divergence, and this is the reasons we get the one more drop. And now the question is, what's the next, right? Anyway, still we can look for continuation. The only thing is how complex can be this correction. We prefer the price consolidate here for longer before we get the next trade, because it can give us better confirmation for continuation. Anyway, we move to 4 hour chart. As I explained earlier, we need to see the breakout of 0.296 following by 0.31. We need to see the breakout of this zone, because if the price doesn't give us a confirmation for the breakout of this zone, mostly we can expect this one turn to a flat. If this one turns to a flat, we can expect to get one more drop. That means we will be within this down move for longer time. Okay, that's why from now, if we want to look for trade, we need to be quite careful. That's why we prefer this one turn to a deeper correction. It can give us better confirmation for continuation. Anyway, this is the reasons for those traders, they get the trade within this move, at least move their stop loss to break even if they want to keep the trade or book some profit. It depends where they get the trade. And for me to look for the next trade, we can expect this one turn to internal running flat in relative to this for one move up. The only question is the next move whether it can break the previous top or not. If it break the previous top, then we can expect this one turn running flat. But if the price couldn't break the top drop, also we can expect the flat. But what type of the flat, we cannot confirm at this point. That's why the question is whether the price can break 0.296 or not. Now, how to look for trade? For next trade, for sure, if we get one more drop, we do the breakout of 0.296. Any trade as a reversal, this is the best option we can look for. But if this is the running flat, if we want to look for trade, the only way is to put our entry above the top. And in that time, we need to see the continuation as a short move, following by breakout of the previous top. That's why it's very risky, because simply the price can tag and drop. All right. That's why if anyone wants to look for trade by having entry above this, they should know that we need to see the breakout of this. And even if there is a breakout of this, we can expect to get a deeper correction. All right. But beside that, which option we cannot confirm. And again, the best thing is if we get one more drop, we do breakout of 0.296, because at that times, any continuation, it can give us a better confirmation to see the breakout of the 31. All right. Anyway, still we can look for buy. And the only thing is we need to be quite careful about the divergence, because if there is a continuation following by divergence, then we do the breakout of the 31. Then we need to know about the bigger picture as what I explained based on 4 hour chart. Anyway, we just follow the chart. Still we can look for buy, and any buy as long as the price haven't break this one, we consider as a short term. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If what I mean by short term, at least if as long as we get into the profit, we move our stop loss to break even. This is what I mean. And anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.